Let's whip up a Spanish omelette with a spicy, herby twist. Start by thinly slicing one potato and onion. We want nice, even slices so they cook gently and soak up flavor. Finally, chop some coriander or parsley. That little green touch adds color and flavor. Heat some oil in a pan and add the sliced potatoes and onions. Keep the heat low, let them soften slowly. Add a little salt and chili flakes. Stir gently so everything cooks evenly. Once the potatoes and onions are soft, let them cool for a minute. Crack 2 eggs, add salt, pepper and beat them well. Now add the cooked potatoes and onions into the egg mixture and add the chopped greens. Add the mixture back into the pan. Spread it evenly and let it cook slowly on low heat. Slide it onto a plate, flip it carefully back into the pan and cook the other side. It should be golden and just set in the center. Serve it hot as a main dish or even for breakfast. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world.